Welcome back to the Roadrunner Scooters YouTube channel. Here we are again with a new video from our workshop. Today we will be showing you how to install a seat on your Nanrobot scooter. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you find this video helpful, hit the like button. Have any questions? Leave them in the comment section. Now let's get started. First of all, take out everything that came with the box. Your new scooter seat, the seat base, seat post, and all the tools you need for the assembly, just like we have them shown here. Get started by removing the clamp attached to the seat with your axle nut wrench. Now unscrew the 4 hex screws at the back of your deck cover. Now it's time to install the seat base. Put the seat base at the back of your deck cover so the screw holes on the deck match the position of the holes in the seat base. It should be just like we are having it done here. Now attach the seat base with the 4 hex screws that were included in the box. Don't forget to install the washers too. The original hex screws would be too short for installing the seat base, so don't use those. After that, take your 5mm Allen key and use it to tighten all 4 hex screws in place. Next, take your seat post. That's what you'll be attaching to the seat base. But first of all, unscrew and remove the pin joined to the seat base where you'll be attaching your seat stem. Then attach this part to the base. Now insert the pin back into the hull and tighten that with a hex screw. This one needs to be really tight, so put in extra effort. Adjust the axle nut on the seat post's clamp. What you're looking for is a really tight fit to make the base feel nice and sturdy. So please follow this particular process just like we're doing it here. Now let's attach the seat with those 4 plates to the scooter seat post. The clamping design is very simple, so you will be able to attach it without any issues. Put 2 of those plates on one side of the axle. Then grab your seat post and put that in the middle just like we did it here. The plates with a rough surface should face inwards. Now it's time to tighten your second axle nut. Also, check the position of the seat. It should be parallel to the scooter's deck. And now the final aspect, insert the upper part of the seat assembly into the base. If the seat feels unstable and rotates from side to side, try adjusting it by rotating the seat adjustment clamp clockwise while holding it from the other side, just like this. And there you have it. That concludes our seat installation tutorial. We hope that was helpful. And if it was, hit the like button and also let us know in the comment section what videos you want to see next. If there are any 2 things Roadrunner scooters stand out for, it's quality products and excellent customer service. So do you need spare parts or accessories for your electric scooter? Make roadrunnerscooters.com your go-to and you won't be disappointed. We got all our replacement parts organized according to their scooter model, so you can easily find and purchase the parts you need for any scooter. Got questions about our products? Please contact our team at info@roadrunnerscooters.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Roadrunner Scooters. See you in our next video.